Alright, I'm going to do an example from Khan Academy of surface area using nets. So net is when we take a 3D object and we unfold it and it becomes a 2D object, so it's just a flat shape laying on the paper, and we can just do normal area like we would for any other normal shape like a square or a rectangle. So I forgot to put the numbers in here. I'm just going to quickly put in those numbers that we need. Okay, so here's our measurements. So what we can do is we just break it down into these individual shapes like rectangles, other rectangulars, the same as this rectangle, triangle, 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 or triangle and triangle. So let's just label them. We got rectangle 1, rectangle 2, rectangle 3, and then we have, this can be triangle 1 and this can be triangle 2. So we're going to add up the areas of all of those shapes. So let's start with rectangle 1. Okay, the thing with measurements here, we have the ability to take this 7. We know this is 7 high. That means this is also 7 high over here. So the area of this rectangle is going to be 7 times 3. So we got R1, 7 times 3, 21. Now R2 is actually the exact same shape, 7 times 3. So we got another 7 times 3. We got R3 now. Our rectangle 3 is 7 by 6. Here's the length, here's the width, 7 times 6. Okay, now we got to do our triangles. So they're telling us that our triangle is too high, and we know that since this is 6, this also has to be 6. So it's 6 long. So they put a dashed line up here showing you that this is the exact middle and it's too high. So we know that our formula for area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. So our base is 6, our height is 2. So we're on triangle 1. We have base times height divided by 2. So that's 12 divided by 2, which is 6. And then our triangle 2 is the exact same triangle, 2 high, 6 wide. So we know that that's going to be 6 as well. So now we have to take all of our measurements and add up every single measurement here. So 21 plus 21 is 42. 6 plus 6, that's 12. So we're really just adding up 42 plus 42 plus 12. 96 would be the surface area of this whole shape.